Let us take fx be a polynomial function. Polynomial function. Satisfies fx into f of 1 by x is fx plus f of 1 by x, such that for all x that belongs to or minus 0, non-zero reals, and f of 3 is given as minus 26, then f of 2 value with modulus is. This is also integer type question. Fx being a polynomial function, it is a polynomial which satisfies the relation, functional relation fx into f of 1 by x is fx plus f of 1 by x, which is defined for all non-zero reals. X cannot take the value 0, except 0 remaining real values x may take, such that f of 3 is given minus 26, then modulus of f of 2 value. So we know that fx into f of 1 by x equal to fx plus f of 1 by x for all x that belongs to or minus 0, then fx equal to 1 plus or minus x power n itself, 1 plus or minus x power n itself. Given here f of 3 is minus 26, implies 1 plus or minus 3 power n takes the value minus 26. So taking 1 plus 3 power n equal to minus 26, 3 power n is minus 27, not possible, because this is positive, this is negative, this is positive, this is negative. A negative quantity cannot be equal to positive quantity, exponentially is always positive. So 1 minus 3 power n must be minus 26 follows. That implies 3 power n takes the value 27, n takes the value 3, n equal to 3 cube, 27. So n equal to 3. Therefore fx takes the value 1 minus x cube. It follows, minus follows here, where n equal to 3. Fx takes the value 1 minus x cube. Hence f of 2 value 1 minus 2 cube minus 7. Modulus of f of 2 is 7. Okay. This is the problem which is related to functional relations. Functional relations. Once the function follows that relation, then you can take straight away, can take function as 1, either plus x power n or minus x power n. Based on the other condition, given condition, you can take either plus or minus, like this. That is one important problem. Similarly, this is one important problem, very important problem, very, very important problem. Based on this, a problem is set in a recent advanced exam also, in 2020 examination, which was conducted in September or October first week. The problem is set on this model. Let f be a real valued function such that fx equal to fx plus f of 2002 by x equal to 3x for all x that belongs to for all x greater than j. Then f of 2 by 2000 value is fx be real valued function such that fx plus f of 2002 by x equal to 3x, x being positive real. Then f of 2 by 2002. Given fx plus f of 2002 by x is 3x, x greater than 0. Replace x with 2002 by x. Then f of 2002 by x plus fx 2002 by x. 2002 by x is fx itself. Okay. Equal to 3 into 2002 by x itself. Okay. 1 by x by 2002 plus x by 2002 whole square. X by 2002. Two thousand two by x equal to this is 3 into 2002 by x itself. It is I thought that 2002 by x. This is one minute. Actually, the function is actually 2 into, that was missed here. Okay, actually here 2 was missed. 2. Okay, so this is 2. Replacing x with 2002 by x, then f of 2002 by x, this is 2fx is 3 into 2002 by x itself, 2002 by x. Okay. Now subtraction. Subtraction of these two, we get minus fx. You can remove this one. Oh, sorry. So taking multiplication. Let it be this is 1, of course. So that implies 2f of 2002 by x plus 4fx equal to 6 into 2002 by x itself. Let it be 2. Now eliminate f of 2002 by x, it's here. 2 minus 1 gives us 2 minus 1 gives us 2 minus 1 gives us, you can remove this one, 4fx minus fx, 3fx. 3fx equal to 6 into 2002 by x minus 3x itself. You can remove 3 on both sides so that we get fx. Fx is 404 by x minus x, because 3 2's fx is 4004 by x minus x, that is the function. Now f of 2, therefore f of 2 equal to 4004 by 2 minus 2, 2002 minus 2, 2000 itself. Therefore f of 2 by 2000 takes the value 1 itself. The required value is 1. So the given relation is fx plus twice 2 into f of 2002 by x equal to 3x. Replacing x with 2002 by x, it becomes 2002 by x and it becomes x. Multiplying both sides with 2 and eliminating this one by taking subtraction, we get fx. Based on fx, you can able to find f of 2 and the required value. And that is one fine problem. Okay. Next important one. Another fx equal to a power x by a power x plus 2. Then fx plus f of 1 minus x equal to. This is one important. Based on this relation also, one problem is given in advanced exam. A being positive, of course, for a being positive. Once the function is of the form fx equal to a power x by a power x plus 2. What is the value of fx? F of 1 minus x. Given fx is a power x by a power x plus 2. That implies f of 1 minus x is replacing x with 1 minus x, a power 1 minus x by a power minus x plus 2. That is a by a power x by a power x plus 2, which is a by a plus 2a power x. A by a plus 2a power x. Okay. Now fx plus f of 1 minus x is a power x by a power x plus 2. This is of course taking a common, taking, let us take that one itself, plus a by a plus 2a power x. This is a power x into a plus 2a power x plus a into a power x plus 2 by a power x plus 2 plus a plus into a plus 2a power x. This is a power x plus 1 plus 2 into a power 2x plus a power x plus 1 plus 2a by this is a power x plus 1 2a power 2x plus 2a plus 4a power x. A 2a power x to 4a power x, a into twice to the top. This is 2a power x plus 1 plus 2a power 2x plus 2a by this is a power x plus 1 2a power 2x, of course 2a plus 4a power x. This is a power x plus 1. This is a power x plus 1. Okay. Taking 2 as common, a power x plus 1 plus a power 2x plus 2. This is a power x plus 1 plus 2a power 2x plus 2a plus 4a power x. Taking a power x as common here, this is a by a power x into a power 1 minus x plus 2, of course. This is a power 1 minus x by a power 1 minus x plus 2. Right. These two must be equal. A power x plus a power x into a plus 2a power x. So a power x into a plus a into a power x plus 2. A power x into a plus 1 2a power 2x a power x plus 1 plus 2a by a power x plus 1 2a power 2x plus 2a plus 4a power x. Okay. These two must be equal. Okay. This is 2a power 2x plus 4a power x plus 2a. Okay. Actually, this is the value of fx plus f of 1 minus x. Particularly here, if a equal to 4, that is, if fx equal to, in particular, a equal to 4, fx is 4 power x by 4 power x plus 2, then f of x plus f of 1 minus x is clearly 2 4 power x plus 1. A equal to 4, for a equal to 4. This is 2 4 power 2x plus 2a by, in the denominator, 4 power x plus 1 plus 2 4 power 2x plus 4 4 power x plus 2a. Okay. Once 4 into 4 power x, twice to the top, 4 power x plus 1 plus 2 into 4 power 2x. This is 4 into 2, of course, 8 by this is 4 power x plus 1, 4 into 4 power x is 4 power x plus 1. Once adding these two, we get twice to the top 4 power x plus 1 plus 2 4 power 2x. 2a means this is also 8. These two are equal. Once This point is important. So once fx equal to a power x by a power x plus 2, then fx into f of 1 minus x value, in particular a equal to 4, that means 4 power x by 4 power x plus 2 is given. Fx plus f of 1 minus x is always equal to 1. The value is 1. The required value is 1. This point is important point. Next one. Domains and ranges. Domains and ranges. Domain of fx equal to log x plus 3 to the base 2 by x square plus 3x plus 2. Domain of the function fx equal to log x plus 3 to the base 2 by x square plus 3x plus 2. Domain of log x plus 3 to the base 2, that should be evaluated initially. So domain of f is given by logarithmic function is defined for positive reals only, hence x plus 3 is greater than 0, and the denominator function is not equal to 0. Domain of f is given by all real values of x such that x plus 3 greater than 0 and x square plus 3x plus 2 not equal to 0. That is x greater than minus 3 and x not equal to minus 1 and minus 2, because it may be written as x plus 1 into x plus 2. So x not equal to minus 1 and x not equal to minus 2. Except these two values, for the remaining values where x greater than minus 3, the function is defined. Therefore, domain of f is given by from minus 3 to minus 2 union, minus 2 to minus 1 union, minus 1 to infinity. Except these two values, the remaining reals is to be considered here. Hence, the domain of the function is from minus 3 to minus 2, from minus 3 to minus 2 union minus 2 to minus 1. Minus 2 is excluded here because I am taking open interval, and minus 1 also excluded, the remaining real values that we consider. Or you can take like this, the open interval minus 3 to infinity minus the set that consists of the elements minus 2 minus 1. The set that consists of minus 2 minus 1. That is the domain of the given function. Given in IIT's 2001. Next problem. The domain of sine inverse of log of x by 3 to the base 3 is the domain of sine inverse of log of x by 3 to the base 3. So, domain of the function given by domain is given by logarithmic function is applicable to positive reals, and then sine inverse function is defined only for the values of x that lies between, once you assumed this function as x, that lies between -1 and 1 only. So, that is x must be greater than 0 and 3 power minus 1, that is 1 by 3 is less than or equal to x is less than or equal to 3. X is greater than 0 and x lies between 1 by 3 and 3 itself. X by 3, not 3, x. So, that is x positive and 1 is less than or equal to x is less than or equal to 9. Clearly x positive and lies between. So, domain of f is the closed interval 1 to 9 itself. 1 to 9 itself. This is given in 2000 mains 2003. Next one. Domain of fx equal to sine inverse of 3 minus x by log of mod x minus 2, of course, to the base e. To the base e. Here f defined for 3 minus x lies between -1 and 1 because sine is function domain, and this logarithmic function is defined for positive reals and not equal to 1, of course, and not equal to 1, not equal to 1 also. That gives us this is -4 is less than or equal to -x is less than or equal to -2. Moreover, mod x is greater than 2 and mod x is not equal to 3. So, that is x lies between 2 and 4, x lies between 2 and 4, and moreover mod x is greater than 2 means x belongs to minus infinity to -2 open interval and 2 to infinity. X does not lies between -2 and 2, and x not equal to plus or minus 3, because mod x not equal to 3 means x does not lies between -3 and 3. the intersection of all these. So therefore, domain of F is intersection of all these. Intersection value is 2 to 4 except 3. 2 to 4 except 3. The intersection of all these 3 gives us 2 to 3 and 3 to 4 itself except 3. Next one. Next. The domain of the function y of x, y in terms of x given by 2 power x plus 2 power y equal to 2 is the domain of y in terms of given in x follows 2 power x plus 2 power y equal to 2. In such case, write y in terms of x initially. So that implies 2 power x is 2 minus 2 power x. Taking logarithm to the base 2, of course. This is log 2 minus 2 power x to the base 2, which is y equal to log 2 minus 2 power x to the base 2, because y into log 2 to the base 2. Since log 2 to the base 2 is 1. This is y in terms of x. Now domain. Domain of y. Y of x is given for 2 minus 2 power x is positive. Because for positive quantities only the logarithm is applicable. Therefore, 2 power x is less than 2. 2 power x is less than 2 means x takes the value, x is less than 1 itself. X is less than 1 itself. X is less than 1 itself. So that x is less than 1 means domain of the function is, domain of y of x is minus infinity to 1 itself. Minus infinity to 1 itself. This is one fine problem. Next. Next problem. Domain of f(x) equal to the square root of sine inverse of 2x plus pi by 6 is for x is real is dash. the domain of the function, the domain of the function, square root of sin inverse 2x plus pi by 6, sin inverse 2x plus pi by 6 is okay. Here the root function is defined. Here the root function is defined for greater than or equal to 0. Greater than or equal to 0. F defined for sin inverse of 2x plus pi by 6 is greater than or equal to 0 only. Greater than or equal to 0. But sin inverse of 2x lies between minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. That implies minus pi by 2 plus pi by 6 is less than or equal to sin inverse of 2x plus pi by 6 is less than or equal to pi by 2 plus pi by 6 only. Sin inverse of 2x always lies between sin inverse of pi by 2 and pi by 2. Okay, where 2x lies between minus 1 and 1, minus pi by 4 and pi by 4. This is pi by 2. So hence greater than or equal to minus pi by 6. Minus pi by 6 to pi by 2. Okay. 2x lies, x we are in need. We are in need of x. Okay. Okay. That implies sin inverse of 2x is greater than or equal to minus pi by 6. 1. Again we know that sin inverse of 2x always lies between minus pi by 2 and pi by 2. From 1 and 2 we can conclude that sin inverse of 2x lies between minus, it is more than minus pi by 6 and pi by 2. Minus. So that since sin inverse function is an increasing function, taking sine on both sides throughout the inequality, we get a 2x is less than or equal to sine pi by 2. Since sine is an increasing function. Okay. An increasing function. So that implies sine of minus pi by 6. Sine of minus pi by 6 is sine minus sine pi by 6. Sine 30. Half. So minus half is less than or equal to 2x is less than or equal to 1. So minus 1 by 4 is less than or equal to x is less than 1 by 2. X belongs to minus 1 by 4 to 1 by 2. The closed interval 1 by 4 to 1 by 2. Hence, domain of the function is this is an important problem given in IITs. Okay. Next one. Okay. Domain of fx equal to square root of x minus x square plus square root of 4 plus x plus square root of 4 minus x. The domain of the function square root of x minus x square plus square root of 4 plus x plus square root of 4 minus x is f defined for x minus x square is greater than or equal to 0, comma 4 plus x is greater than or equal to 0 and 4 minus x is greater than or equal to 0. All the functions involved in the given function are square root terms. Hence, the square root is valid only for positive reals, non-negative reals. Hence, x minus x square is greater than or equal to 0. Similarly, 4 plus x is greater than or equal to 0 and 4 minus x is greater than or equal to 0. That is x into 1 minus x greater than or equal to 0 and x greater than or equal to minus 4. Moreover, x less than or equal to 4. X into 1 minus x greater than or equal to 0 means x belongs to 0 to 1. X lies between 0 and 1 only. This is valid. Okay. This is valid for x greater than or equal to minus 4 and this is x less than or equal to 4. Once x square coefficient is negative, expression is positive. Once these two are taking opposite signs, x lies within the roots. That is the concept. Hence, x belongs to 0, 1 and x is more than minus 4 and x is less than 4. So, the intersection of all these is x lies between 0 and 1, x less than 4 and x is greater than minus 4. So, hence this is the intersection value. Hence, domain of the function is 0, 1 only. The closed interval 0 and 1. Next one. Next one. The domain of the function. The domain of the function fx equal to sine inverse of modulus of x minus 2 minus 2 is the domain of the function sine inverse of mod x minus 1 minus 2 is sine inverse function is defined for x lies between minus 1 and 1. So that f defined for mod x minus 1 minus 2 lies between minus 1 and 1. Since sine inverse is defined from minus 1 comma 1 to, since sine inverse x is defined from minus 1 comma 1 to minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. Okay. Hence, mod x minus 2 lies between minus 1 and 1. That is, mod x minus 1 lies between 1 and 3. mod x minus 1 lies between 1 and 3. That is, x minus 1 lies between minus 3 and minus 1, or x minus 1 lies between 1 and 3. 1 and 3. Once it is positive, it lies between 1 and 3, and once it is negative, plus or minus, it takes the value x minus 1 lies between minus 3 and minus 1. That is, from this x lies between minus 2 and this is 0, or 2 and 4. So x lies between either 2 and 4 or minus 2 and 0. Minus 2 and 0. So the domain of the function is, therefore, domain of the function is, or stands for union, hence minus 2 to 0, union 2 to 4 itself. 2 to 4 itself. Okay. Since modulus, once you remove modulus, either x minus 1 lies between 1 and 3, provided that this is positive, hence x lies between 2 and 4. Once it is negative, taking minus, x minus 1 lies between minus 3 and minus 1. Next, f(x) equal to log x to the base step x, then domain of f. f(x) equal to log x to the base step x, then domain of f is f(x) equal to log x to the base e by log step x to the base e. Log x to the base step x by logarithmic definition, log a to the base b may be written as log a to the base e by log b to the base e. Okay. Now this logarithm is defined for, therefore f is defined for x being positive and step x is also positive. Step x is not equal to 1 and positive. Okay. The denominator cannot be 0. So that is x positive, comma, step x not equal to 1 means, step x not equal to 1 means x does not lies between 1 and 2. Of course, step x, once x lies between 1 and 2, step x is 1. Hence, x does not lies between 1 and 2. X does not take that values. And moreover, step x is positive. Step x is positive whenever greater than 0 means step x value greater than 0. It cannot take the value 0 and 1. So that it does not lies between 0 and 2. So x being positive only, it is step value is positive, is greater than 1, greater than or equal to 1. So that from these two x is more than 2 and x is positive. So intersection, that is x is more than, domain of f is 2 to infinity. 2 to infinity. That's now. Next, this is by definitions of the function, it is clear. Fx equal to step x plus sigma r equal to 1 to 2015. Fractional part of x plus r by 2015. Then the value of f of 3. Then f of 3 equal to. This is one integer type question. Fx equal to step x plus sigma r equal to 1 to 2015. Fractional part of x plus r by 2015. Of course, E is greatest integer function and E is fractional part. Once the curly bracket stands for fractional part of that value and square bracket stands for greatest integer part of that function. Then the value of fx and f of 3. We know that fractional part of x plus some integer is fractional part of x itself. Fractional part of x itself. Okay. So, therefore, fx equal to step x plus sigma, once expanding sigma here, fractional part of x plus 1 by 2015. Fractional part of x plus 2 by 2015. Fractional part of x plus 3 by 2015 and so on until fractional part of x plus 2015 by 2015 itself. Once expanding sigma notation. But here fractional part of x plus 1, where I stands for integer, is an integer, of course. Once it is an integer, this is equal to fractional part of x. This is also fractional part of x. This is also fractional part of x. So 1 by fractional part of x by 2015 plus fractional part of x by 2015 and so on, like that, 2015 times. So that is step x plus 2015 times of fractional part of x by 2015. This 2015 cancel. We get step x plus fractional part of x itself. Step x plus fractional part of x is x. So fx equal to x itself, because integer part plus fractional part gives us x itself. Fx equal to x. Hence f of 3 is 3 itself. This is the problem, one fine problem. Based on the definitions of the functions, we can able to find the fractional part of x plus integer is the fractional part of x itself. This is one good problem. Next. A and B be constants. And fx equal to A sin x plus B x cos x plus 2x square. If f of 2 equal to 15, then f of minus 2 value. This is one different procedure problem. Fx is given A sin x plus bx cos x plus 2x square. F of 2 equal to 15, then f of minus 2 value. Now f of 2 is A sin 2 plus b2 cos 2 plus 8, taking x equal to 2 in the function. And f of minus 2, f of minus 2 is taking x equal to minus 2, minus A sin 2, taking x equal to minus 2 cos of minus 2, that is minus 2b, otherwise plus b into minus 2 cos 2 plus 8 itself. So adding these two, f of 2 plus f of minus 2 equal to 16. You can remove this one, you can remove this one. That gives us f of 2 is 15 plus f of minus 2 is 16. Hence f of minus 2 is 16 minus 15, 1. Here the concept is cos of minus 2 is cos 2, sin of minus 2 is minus sin 2. Based on this, sin of minus 2 is minus sin 2 and cos of minus 2 is cos 2, but whereas here we have x, hence minus 2 cos 2. Adding these two, these may be cancelled and it must cancel. 8 plus 8 is 16. Based on that, f2 plus f of minus 2 is 16. F of minus 2 is 16 minus 15, 1. This is one integer type question. Next problem. Fx equal to root x square and gx equal to root x whole square. Is fx equal to gx. Is fx equal to gx. fx equal to root x square means this is mod x. Defined for x belongs to R itself. G of x is root x whole square, that is x. That is x. Defined for x belongs to R. X belongs to R plus only, because root x is defined. Root x is defined for R plus. So, domain of f is R, whereas domain of G is R plus. Of course, including 0 also it is union, 0 also it is valid. Union 0. These two are not equal. Hence, that implies fx is not equal to gx. They are not equal. The domains are different. Similarly, fx equal to square root of 1 plus cos 2x by 2 and gx equal to cos x is f of x equal to g of x. Equality of the functions, based on the equality of the functions. This problem and that problem is given. Two functions are said to be equal once their domain are equal and ranges are equal. Hence, let us consider the domains of the function. Here fx is square root of 1 plus cos 2x by 2 means square root of 2 cos square x by 2. That is square root of cos square x, which is mod cos x. So, domain of the function mod cos x. Domain of function. Domain of function is cos x. Cos x is defined for all set of all reals. Of course, set of all reals. But the it is defined for all reals, but range of range is range of f. Mod cos x means it takes only positive values or 0. So, hence 0, 1. Range of f is 0 and 1. Gx equal to cos x. Hence, domain of G is also set of reals, but range of G is minus 1 to 1. The range of G, therefore, range of f is not equal to range of Z. Hence, f not equal to Z. There the range is not different, and whereas here the domain is not same, and the range is different here, whereas domain is different here. In such cases, the functions are not equal. Based on the equality of the function, the problems are like this. Just one more question. Fx equal to secant of secant inverse x and gx equal to cosec of cosec inverse x is f equal to fx equal to gx or not. Is fx equal to gx or not? Fx equal to secant of secant inverse x, which is equal to x when secant inverse x is defined for mod x greater than or equal to 1. Secant inverse x defined only for mod x greater than or equal to 1. So domain of the function is -1 and 1. Only it is defined. Similarly, gx. Cosec of cosec inverse x is also x. This is defined for cosec inverse x is defined. That is also for mod x greater than or equal to 1. So range is same and domain is same. Domain of f equal to domain of z equal to here -1 and 1. Range is x itself. X means it takes any values that lies between -1 and 1. So range of f is range of g equal to -1 and 1 itself. It takes the values between -1 and 1. Hence, therefore, f of x is g of x. In this case, f equal to g. These two are equal functions.